How to refund games on Epic Games. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser and then search for epicgames.com. Once you're on the website, simply log into your account. And then once logged in, you will now see this profile account name. What we need to do is to tap on this one and then tap on the account option. After that, on the left part of the screen, we'll have to tap on this transactions option. After that, it will show us all our transactions on our Epic Games account. You will see your purchase, subscription, code redemption, and then V-Bucks card redemption. In here, what we need to do is to tap on this purchase option. So, as you can see here, I haven't purchased any game, but if you have a game that you want to refund, all you need to do is to select on that game by tapping on the arrow icon at the right part of the screen. After that, it will show you the game details and then you will see an option Request Refund. All you need to do is to tap on that and then a pop-up menu will open up and then you'll have to input your reasons why you are trying to refund your game. Once you're done typing your reasons, all you need to do is to tap on the Confirm Refund. So that's how easy you can refund games on Epic Games. I hope this video helped you out and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any videos on our channel and I'll see you on our next video.